So I'm trying to figure out how to do something. I set up the move and resize to move in halves. Love the custom ability to change these cells, but is there a way to have it move to separate displays? So, like for instance, it's stuck on the one display unless I were to use a separate command to move it to separate displays. This is the only thing holding me back from getting out of Magnet because in Magnet, you do have the ability to do that. Wait, if I just override this real quick, I'll show you. Okay. In Magnet, you can do that. And I just really like to be able to move through separate displays using that same key command if possible somehow.